Here we are discussing searching programs using C++. Normally we can do two types of searches, that is linear search and binary search. First we will see what is linear search. The searching is finding something, finding an item. Okay. So if we are following linear search method, you can find a particular item in a simple way. So that is, in random you will be having many items, many elements, and you will be having with you an item which is to be searched. This is the algorithm written over here. First step, start. Second step, accept the values. Third step, accept value of the item to be searched for. Compare each element in the array with item. That is, you will be having an item which you are searching, and we have to compare that particular item with each element of the array. When a match is found, print the location, else print element not found. So this is the algorithm for linear search. Here's the program for linear search. AR is the name of the array and 25 is the size, N is the number of elements, I is the for loop item. Item is the element which we are searching for, LOC is the location, and that is initialized with -1. You have to get the number of elements and then you have to enter the elements using the for loop, C in AR of I, and then you have to get the item which you are searching for. Then inside the for loop, you have to check whether if AR of I is equal to item, value of I will change based on the value of for loop. That is compared with each I value is compared with the item. If a matching is there, you have to print that I as location and then break and come out of the loop. If LOC not equal to -1, that means an element is there, right? Elements are there. Cout, item is found at the position LOC +1. +1 we have written here because we know that in an array, the first position is always 0 and the last position is always n minus 1. Okay, so the original position is actually this is 1 and this is n. That is how we are counting. So that way, here comes LOC +1, or else, that is if LOC is equal to -1, then you have to print element not found. So this is the program for linear search. Okay. Now, next is a binary search. Binary, that is 2. In this case, the whole elements are to be arranged first in ascending order. Okay. So, if they are arranged, then it is okay. If they are in random, first you have to arrange them in ascending order. Then, accept the item to be searched. Two variables used in this are first and last. First shows the first element and last shows the last element. We have to show the position. Then find the middle element. First is there and then last is there. From that you have to find the middle element because binary. Now we are going to divide the whole list into 2. That is, we have to find the middle element. So what is middle element? First plus first position plus last position by 2. You will get the middle position, right? Then an element will be there in the middle position. That element is compared with the item. If both are same, you got the value and then you have to print the position. Now, if they are not same, now what we have to do is, we have to compare the value with the item. We know that they are arranged in ascending orders. See that. So M value, that is a middle value, is compared with I value, item value. If item value is smaller, that means that will be here in the first half. If item value is bigger, it will be here in the second half, right? So suppose it is less than, that is item value is smaller at that time. First is okay, and then this value, that is the value before the middle will be the, should be the last value, right? That is why we are writing last is equal to middle minus 1, and then again find the half and continue till you get the element. If you are in the second half, last will be same as the first case, but the first will change. First value will be middle value plus 1. Okay, now you have to continue and you have to find whether searching is there or not. If a match has been found, you have to print the location, else you have to print element not found. So this is the algorithm. This is a program for binary search. AR is the element array, N is the total number of element, first, last and middle, 3 variables. I is the for loop variable, item is the element to be searched, and LOC is equal to -1. Enter the total number of elements, enter the array elements using cin, and enter the item to be searched for. Okay. Now, basically, we have to initialize first as 0 and last as n minus 1. Say this, if first is less than or equal to last, that is a normal procedure because ascending order, first will be always, should be always less than the last element. So if you have to check whether first is less than or equal to last. That is, you are checking whether they are in the ascending order or not. If they are in the ascending order, what you have to do is you have to find the middle value, and then item is compared with the element in the middle position. If both are same, you can print the middle position and you have to come out. Else, you are checking whether item is less than middle element, then last is equal to middle minus 1, else first is equal to middle plus 1. So if location is not equal to -1, you have to print the location as LOC plus 1, else you have to print element not found. So this is a way how binary search can be done. Okay, so just understand the logic, how it is being done. The element should be in the ascending order, find the middle element, and then check, you have to compare the item and the middle element. So if the item is smaller than the middle element, check in the first half, else check in the second half, and do the procedure until you get the element. Okay, if you are getting, print the location, and if you are not getting, you have to print element not found. So hope linear search and binary search is clear for you. Thank you.